Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to lock your pictures, how to save your pictures, videos and apps, how to lock them on Android phone. The very first thing you need to do is to locate your Play Store or App Store. After you locate it, after you click on it, click on search here. After you click on search, you search for app lock. As you can see it now. After you click on it, then you install. You see, after you install, you see it installs. After you install, you wait until it. After it install, you click on open. After you click on open, it brings you here. After then, you wait until it loads. After it loads, you see here, it brings you here. You click on if. As for me now, I'll click on English. You see, you click on next here. Next. Click on next, click on next, click on next, then click on get started. As you can see now, you wait until it loads. After it loads, you create a pin for yourself. You can switch to password. See, you can see 4 digits numeric code, 6 digits numeric code, pattern, anyone you like. But as for me, I'm going to use pin. So let's create a pin. You see, that's the pin. After then, you see, you activate your fingerprint. So now I need to activate it. Then after then, you click on app lock. After you click on it, you see it brings you all your apps. You see, as for me, I want to lock my WhatsApp app, TikTok. And after then, you grant permissions. Permit access uses start. You grant permissions. After you grant, you see it loads, you grant permission. After you grant permit joining over other apps. You see, grant permission also. You see now, your permission is granted. Then you click on the app that you want to lock. You see, the WhatsApp is locked here. As you can see it here, is locked. You see, if you want to check your app, locked app, you click on locked app here. After I click on it, you see it brings you these are the apps that are locked. Now you go back to your home screen to check out if the app is locked. Now let's check out for the WhatsApp. You can see it now. The app is locked. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video and click on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Success.